Live better, feel stronger. The Master Arnold way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy living series. Come and join the wave. It's your time, your life. Let wellness pave the way.
Welcome back to another episode of the Healthy Living series with Master Arnold, where healing meets wisdom and nature meets science. Today, we're unlocking the secret health powers of something most people throw away: corn silk. Those stringy threads on corn on the cob. They're not garbage. They're medicine. Before we go further, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's get started. Corn silk isn't trash, it's medicine. 7 shocking health benefits you didn't know. Pop quiz: which of these do you think corn silk helps with the most? A. Blood pressure. B. Urinary tract health. C. Weight loss. D. All of the above. Answer revealed at the end. Let's explore the benefits. Benefit 1. Natural diuretic. Corn silk helps flush out excess fluids, supports the kidneys, reduces bloating, and relieves UTIs. Interactive tip: ever had a UTI? What natural remedy worked best? Comment below. Benefit 2. Balances blood sugar. Helps regulate insulin and glucose. Perfect for pre-diabetics and those watching their carbohydrate intake. Action step: try corn silk tea 2 to 3 times per week. Track your results. Share your experience. Benefit 3. Soothes the bladder. Traditionally used for bladder irritation. Even helps with bedwetting in kids. Family health moment: parents, have you tried natural remedies for your kids? Share in the comments. Benefit 4. Reduces inflammation. Packed with antioxidants. Great for joint pain and chronic inflammation. Question for you: what's your favorite anti-inflammatory herb or food? Tell us in the comments. Benefit 5. Supports liver detox. Helps your liver eliminate toxins. Supports overall detox and digestion. Detox challenge: try corn silk tea for 7 days straight. Notice any changes? Comment "I'm in." Benefit 6. Regulates blood pressure. Reduces sodium buildup and fluid retention. Supports healthy heart function. Quick poll: managing blood pressure naturally or with meds? Comment natural or ARCs. Benefit 7. Fights kidney stones. Traditionally used to ease kidney pain. Supports breakdown and flushing of stones. Wellness tip: boil corn silk with parsley and lemon for a powerful detox tea. How to use corn silk: 1. Boil fresh or dried silk in water 15-20 minutes. 2. Strain and drink as tea. 3. Use sun-dried powder in smoothies or salads. 4. Take as a tincture from herbal stores. Important: always use organic corn silk. Conventional corn is sprayed with chemicals. Where to buy: links to organic corn silk are in the video description. Check them out after this video. Answer to the quiz: D. All of the above. Corn silk supports blood pressure, urinary health, and weight loss. And that's just the beginning. Final word from Master Arnold: what you thought was trash could be your healing treasure. Save the silk, brew the tea, heal your body naturally. Like, subscribe, and share. Join the Healthy Living WhatsApp group for more tips. And remember, this is your journey, your health, your legacy. See you in the next episode of the Healthy Living series with Master Arnold. Live better, feel stronger.
Live better, feel stronger. The Master Arnold way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy living series. Come and join the wave. It's your time, your life. Let